Hey, what's up my saints and sinners? It's Demon Ascended here again, back with my Pokemon card opening video. Today we're opening up the Palafin EX box. Now, it's been a while since I've opened up a box. Looking back at my other videos, it has been quite a long time. That'll go into recycling. And I think this plastic is also recyclable. So, of course, you get three promo cards. First off, I accidentally knocked out the 10. Here is the code card. And you get the full line of Finizen. You have a Finizen promo card right here, a Palafin promo card here, and a Hero Form Palafin. Next, you get a jumbo promo card of Palafin Hero Form. And last, you get 4 packs of cards. I got Scarlet and Violet Obsidian Flames, Scarlet and Violet Temporal Forces, and 2 Scarlet and Violet Twilight Masquerades. I'm gonna open them up. I think I'm opening them in order of release. I might be doing the order wrong, but I know Twilight Masquerade is one of the newer ones. We have Numel, Tadbulb, Sinistea, Poniard, Lanoon, Sharpedo, Espeon, Probopass, Wugtrio, Darkrai, and a Grass Energy card. Next, we are opening the Scarlet and Violet Temporal Forces. We have Mightyena, Duosion, Haunter, Pikachu, Sharpedo, Metagross, Roserade, Autumn Form Deerling, Charjabug, Miraidon, and a Dark Energy card. Next up are my 2 Scarlet and Violet Twilight Masquerade packs. This one opened up the nicest. Oh, that Ducklet card's so cute. Here's the code card. This Ducklet card's adorable. I love Ducklet. We have Ducklet, Emolga, Hisuian Growlithe, Monferno, Darmanitan, Carmine, Swanna. Oh, a purple card. The Secret Box. Ace Specs. We have an Ace Specs card right here. That is cool. You can actually see the number there. It's really close to the end. We have Seeking, Walking Wake, and a Grass Energy card. Now I have to make sure I sleeve that with my flatter sleeves, because that one's nice. I don't know. I think I might start doing a fun little thing where I actually look up at the current price of the editing video. But that would take so long for me to edit. I don't know if I'll have that, like, patience to do that kind of editing. But here's the code card. We have Hisuian Growlithe, Monferno, Nosepass, Jinx, Iron Bundle, Lucian, Darmanitan, Helioptile, Cardant, Chandelure, and a Fire Energy card. So, nothing really worthwhile in this pack except the Ace Spec card, which I actually really love these pink cards. These bright pink, purple, magenta cards, or whatever you want to call them. They have such a cool, like, effect on them. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed today's video, and you want to see more, consider subscribing to YouTube channel and check out the socials in the description below. I will see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day and bye!